People think bad skin is a cosmetic problem. It is not. It is a credibility problem. I realized this at a meeting I should have owned, prepared, confident, ready. And the person across from me glanced at my face just once, and I could see it. They stopped taking me seriously. Not what I said, not how I said it, just what my skin was broadcasting before I opened my mouth. I spent years thinking skin was surface level, something you dealt with if you cared about appearances. I was wrong. Skin is not cosmetic, it is a signal, and the brain on the other side of the room is reading it faster than you think. Here is what the research actually shows. A study published in the journal Evolution and Human Behavior found that skin quality was one of the most heavily weighted visual cues in attractiveness and health perception, more than facial symmetry, more than bone structure. Researchers used digitally altered images, same face, different skin texture and tone, and found that skin quality alone produced dramatic shifts in how attractive, healthy, and trustworthy participants rated the same person. Same face, different skin, different category. The brain is not analyzing your skin consciously. It is running an ancient biological assessment, one designed to detect health, vitality, and genetic quality in fractions of a second. Now here's what compromised skin tends to communicate in that assessment. Uneven tone, dullness, inflammation, visible fatigue under the eyes. The brain tends to associate these signals with poor health, high stress, and low energy. Not someone vital, not someone in control, not someone who takes care of themselves, and by extension, not someone who takes care of their responsibilities. Nobody will tell you this to your face, but everyone adjusts their level of trust based on what your skin told them first. And here is what almost nobody talks about. This signal does not only go outward, it comes back to you. Research from the University of Pittsburgh found a direct link between skin inflammation and cortisol, the primary stress hormone. Chronic skin issues elevate cortisol. Elevated cortisol worsens skin. It is a loop. Your skin is not just reflecting your stress, it is amplifying it. Every inflammatory signal your skin sends outward is simultaneously running inward, affecting your clarity, your mood, your presence in every room you enter. So if skin is the signal, can you change it? Dermatological research consistently shows that targeted lifestyle and topical interventions produce measurable improvements in skin quality within 8 to 12 weeks. Not years, weeks. Same person, different skin, different signal. Here are 3 things you can start today. No expensive treatments, no complicated routines. First, cortisol management. Most people treat skin as a surface problem. They buy products, they apply things, and nothing fundamentally changes. Because the source is internal. Cortisol is the primary driver of inflammatory skin conditions. Acne, redness, uneven tone, accelerated aging. And cortisol is produced by one thing above everything else: chronic, unmanaged stress. The fix is not a cream, it is sleep. 7 to 9 hours of consistent sleep reduces cortisol measurably, and skin cell regeneration occurs almost entirely during deep sleep cycles. 2 weeks of consistent sleep improvement produces visible skin changes, not subtle, visible. Start there before you buy anything. Second, hydration and barrier repair. The skin barrier, the outermost layer of the skin, is responsible for moisture retention, protection from environmental damage, and the smooth, even texture that the brain reads as healthy. Most people with dull, tired-looking skin are not dealing with a product problem. They are dealing with a barrier problem. The fix: consistent hydration from the inside and outside simultaneously. 2 to 3 liters of water per day. A simple moisturizer with ceramides applied morning and night. Ceramides are the structural compounds that hold the skin barrier together. They deplete with age, stress, and poor diet. Replenishing them is not skincare trend. It is basic barrier maintenance. 4 weeks. The difference in texture and tone is measurable. Third, sun protection. Ultraviolet exposure is the single largest external driver of premature skin aging. Uneven pigmentation, loss of elasticity, the dullness that makes someone look tired even when they are not. SPF 30 or higher. Every morning, regardless of weather, not because of vanity, because UV damage accumulates invisibly, and the skin you have at 40 is being written right now. This is the fix most people skip because the results are not immediate. But the people who started 5 years ago look 5 years younger than the people who did not. That difference is visible in every room they walk into. I used to think this was not something I could change. That skin was genetic, fixed, outside my control. What I did not understand was how much of it was signal, and how much of that signal was coming from choices I was making every day without knowing the cost. Sleep, water, protection. 3 inputs, not a routine, a recalibration. You have been letting your skin send the wrong signal. Not because you did not care, because nobody told you what it was actually saying. Now you know, and you cannot unsee it. 30 days. All 3, no exceptions, start tonight. Come back and comment, skin reset, below. I read every single one. If this shifted something, hit like and subscribe to Attract Psych. New videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. Or keep sending the same signal.